What's up, everyone? Just working on my 98 Dodge 1500. So this Dodge in particular has a 10-inch lift on 40s. It's a cool truck, I love it. Was working on some vacuum lines, but that's not the purpose of this video. This video, we're going to be talking about the air cleaner. Okay, so over time, this is a 23-year-old truck, so over time plastics tend to shrink. When I bought this whole tube here was basically falling right there, so it wouldn't reach all the way to the fender, and it would fall really easy from the air box as well. So what I did is I put that clamp on there, obviously, okay, to keep it nice and snug onto the air box. But in order to make it reach to here, so what I did is I installed a piece of aluminum right here. I stretched it out as far as it could, and then I drilled the holes. So you can see there's one bolt right in there, and there's another bolt right, see if I can get it right here. I can't calculate. There we go. It's right on that side. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, and it's stretched it out as much as I could and tightened it up, and then it reached the fender right here and all the way there, and look, it's nicely perfectly straight. I didn't want to spend the money right now just yet anyway on a cold air intake. Eventually I will do that, but right now I'm just trying to save a little money and made this puppy work to where it looks pretty much stock, like it came out of the factory. So it's straight, it's sturdy. So hopefully that helps you guys out if your tube here, your plastic tube, doesn't reach all the way to the fender. So all right, comment below if hopefully that helps some of you guys. Later.